Have you ever wondered why, during Hajj, Muslims everywhere chant the same powerful words together? Imagine millions of voices rising in unison, echoing through Mecca and across the world. It's a sound that gives you goosebumps and brings people together like nothing else. This special chant is called Takbeer-e-HAQ. Let's go on a little adventure to discover what makes it so magical and why it fills hearts with joy and hope every year. One sunny morning, I put on my favorite hat and set out with my best friend, Moo the calf. Moo isn't just any calf. She's gentle, curious, and always ready for adventure. We didn't know today would be extra special. As we walked, we heard our neighbors outside, their voices strong and joyful, calling out, "Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar." The words echoed down the street, and even Moo perked up her ears to listen. That's when I learned about Takbeer-e-HAQ. These words mean, God is the greatest. It's a simple phrase, but it reminds us that nothing is greater or more important than Allah. I was curious, so I asked my mom, why do we say these words out loud? Why does everyone join in? I wanted to know what made this chant so special. My mom smiled and explained, during Hajj, Muslims everywhere say Takbeer-e-HAQ. It's a way to remember how special these days are and to feel close to Allah and to each other, no matter where we are. She told me that saying Takbir is a way to show our love for Allah and to say thank you for all our blessings. It's a moment to pause, reflect, and feel grateful for our families, friends, and even the little things, like a sunny day or a gentle calf by your side. Moo, always wanting to join in, tried to moo along with the chant, but instead of Allahu Akbar, she let out a big silly moo! I laughed, and soon everyone was smiling. Even the smallest voices and the funniest sounds can be part of something beautiful. As we walked, more people joined in. Their voices blended together, rising up like a wave of happiness and faith. The sound filled the air, making the whole neighborhood feel alive and connected. In that moment, it didn't matter if we were old friends or strangers. We all felt like one big family, united by the same words and the same love for Allah. The takbir brought us together, making us feel safe and happy. My mum whispered, when we say takbir together, our hearts connect. We remember what's truly important, being kind, being grateful and loving one another. That's what makes these days so special. She also said takbir isn't just about words, it's about actions too. When we say it, we're reminded to help others, to share and to spread happiness. Even a small act of kindness can be a way of saying Allahu Akbar with our hearts. I hugged Moo close, feeling her soft fur. As I whispered the takbir, I felt a new kind of happiness inside me. It was like I was part of something much bigger, a worldwide family, all connected by faith and love. So if you ever hear the takbir,